Let's talk about Autodesk today. So Autodesk is a manufacturer of actually very good software, and they have managed to distribute it over the whole world, and most engineering companies love it. The problem that we have with Autodesk is that they're quite aggressive auditors as well. So all those clients who are actually very happy with the software, they get audited in a, to my understanding, not very nice way. So Autodesk is very aggressive. And many of their customers are actually not those big corporates who have big departments for license management, who have professionals on the topic, who run software asset management systems, who know how to handle audits. Many of those customers are engineering companies with 5 to 50 engineers who run Autodesk to build their projects and just get the job done. And when they get an audit letter, they are not quite sure what to do. So they're looking for a partner to help them during this process, because they don't know if they're going to have to expect a hefty bill for non-compliance, mostly unintentional. And so they're looking for a partner. When you look for a partner, you need to be aware of, I think, some aspects. There are those Autodesk partners, sales partners of Oracle, who are quite knowledgeable about the metrics and about the software, and maybe first of all about the price lists of Autodesk. So when you choose one of those, you need to know that those partners usually have a sales agreement, and they also have agreements with Autodesk in place, to my knowledge, that they have to let the manufacturer know when they're becoming aware of a situation of non-compliance within their customer base. So they have to alert Autodesk, one of my customers has a non-compliance issue, so that Autodesk can come in and help, and which they're always happy to do. And they of course receive generous commissions on their sales that they do for Autodesk. That's how they live. Of course, they also sell consulting services, but they get very nice commissions on the sales. And they're obliged to do forecasting in order to maintain their partner status. So every partner would go through a process with their partner manager and say, okay, for the next quarter we're expecting this amount of sales volume. And the partner managers expect the partners to continuously sell, to continuously keep the forecast running, keep the pipeline up. And that of course produces some pressure. And one of the ways to release some of that pressure is to actually fill the pipeline with real projects that could be yours. When you're non-compliant, this partner could get the idea of saying, all right, I know one of my clients is non-compliant. I know they have been using Autodesk software in regions where they are not supposed to. They have been using Autodesk software, old versions, on a number of devices that they're actually running, which is not allowed. You need to delete your old versions, otherwise you have to pay more licenses. So this partner is aware of that, because they might be your technique partner and your sales partner in terms of Autodesk. So these partners are tempted by definition of their partner agreements with Autodesk. I'm not quite sure if that is the right partner for you to trust after you have received an audit notification letter. If you've received an audit notification letter, you're at risk of paying a high amount of money. And I think you should reach out to a company that is not entangled in these agreements with Autodesk, but that is independent and has a track record of getting it right. And we have been helping customers over the last years in terms of software audits and also in terms of Autodesk audits. We're very familiar with the strategies that they apply on their customer base, and we can help you. So if you're looking for an independent consulting company, we're here to help. We don't have a partner agreement with Autodesk, or actually with no software vendor. And we certainly don't receive any commissions by any software vendor. And we have extensive experience in defending your interests towards Autodesk and other software vendors, and make sure that you do not get financially hurt by this Autodesk audit. So, if you have an issue, if you feel that you are unsure how to act, if you're unsure of the process that's in front of you, give us a call. The first advice is always free. And we can talk about it, and maybe we're a good fit and we can assist you and to help you in this process. Thank you. If you like this content and it's useful for you, then please give me a like. I'd be very happy for that. Please subscribe to our channel or go to our website prolicense.com and sign up to our newsletter. If you need help immediately, we can help you. Just send me an email or give me a call. I'm always available. Bye.